Hello everyone. We have finished our chapter number 2 last time. So today we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. Our first exercise is tick the correct option. Now look at the board. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? President of India, Vice President of India, Chief Justice of India or Prime Minister of India? So answer is Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Now look the next one. President of India lives in Lal Killa, Rajpath, Birla House, Rashtrapati Bhavan. So where he lives? He lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Look the next one. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 238 members, 250 members, 550 members or 552 members. So answer is 552 members. Now look the next one. Minimum Wages Act was implemented in 1948, 1990, 1984, 1957. So answer is 1948. In this year, Minimum Wages Act was implemented. The Rajya Sabha can delay a money bill by only 3 months, 6 months, 14 days or 31 days. So answer is 14 days. The Rajya Sabha can delay a money bill by only 14 days. Now we will move to the next exercise. Now our next exercise is fill in the blanks. First is dash is the highest law making body in our country. Answer is Parliament. Parliament is the highest law making body in our country. Next is the Indian parliamentary system is inspired by the dash parliamentary system. So students, our Indian parliamentary system is inspired by the British parliamentary system. British, BRITISH, British parliamentary system. Now look at the next one. Is the nominal head of the state. Now who is the nominal head of the state? President is the nominal head of the state. Clear? Now look at the next one. Dash was the first president of India. Who was the first president of India? Honorable Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Next is the Rajya Sabha is a dash house. So Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. It's a permanent house. Next is in case of money bill, the Rajya Sabha has to play an advisory role. Clear? So here your fill up exercise is also over. Now we will move to the next exercise, that is true and false. Now look the next exercise, true false. The Rajya Sabha has 2 houses. Answer is false, because the Rajya Sabha has itself a house. Okay, and it has a upper house. Next one, the Lok Sabha is a permanent house. No, this is also wrong, because Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. Next is Minimum Wages Act helps the industrialist. No, again it is false, because Minimum Wages Act helps the laborers. It was the landmark industry of laborers. Now the Vice President of India enjoys the more powers than the President? No, false. Because the Vice President of India also enjoys the powers which he has only. अगर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को रिप्लेसमेंट प्रेसिडेंट इन केस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट्स डेथ और इफ ही रिजाइंस, तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अगर प्रेसिडेंट की प्लेस पे आते हैं तो पावर्स तो उनकी उतनी ही होंगी जितनी प्रेसिडेंट की है. सपोज आई एम योर टीचर, अगर मेरी प्लेस पे कोई टीचर आती है तो उसके पास उतनी ही पावर्स होगी, उतनी ही अथॉरिटी होगी जितनी मेरे पास है. मेरे से ज़्यादा तो नहीं होगी ना, सेम एज. ठीक है. Now look the next one. Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Yes, true. She is the first woman Prime Minister of India. Sixth one, the President can be removed through impeachment. It's true. He can be removed through impeachment. Next is, and the last one, the Prime Minister is the nominal head of the state. No, it's wrong. Because President is the nominal head of the state. So here, your exercises are also over. Means your chapter is over here. So do your work and send me the homework as soon as it is possible. We will meet again in your next class with new chapter. Till then, goodbye.